In this video, we will explain how to use the DISTO X1 to quickly calculate the total wall area of a room, perfect for painting projects. Turn on the DISTO by pressing the On Dist button, then press the Func button to select the area function. A blinking icon will indicate it's ready for the first measurement. Stand by the first wall, aim the laser at the target, and press the On Dist button to measure the length of the wall. To add another wall, press the plus button, aim, and take the next measurement. Press the minus key to subtract the window's width, aim, and take the measurement. Continue the same way to measure all remaining walls. In the end, you'll get the total perimeter of the room. To measure the height, place the DISTO on the floor, aim it at the ceiling, and take the measurement. This completes the total wall area calculation. If you need to subtract areas like windows or door openings, press the minus button, then measure the length and height to calculate the window door opening area. Finally, press the On Dist button to subtract this area and complete your calculation. The number displayed shows the remaining wall area to be painted, which is useful for planning. The painter function is available on the DISTO D2, D2G, D5, X1, X3, and X6.